Are you looking for the best laptop stand? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rain Design mBar Pro Plus. Despite its thin aluminum frame, this simple Rain Design stand is rock solid. Don't worry about it buckling while you type away in your living room, office, or airport. The fixed height raises your laptop 5.5 inches, and it folds up to just 9.5 by 6 inches, small enough to fit into any bag that fits your tablet or laptop. I also appreciate that it comes with a svelte carrying sleeve for easy packing. Bonus, it weighs less than a pound. If you need something a bit lower, there's also the foldable mBar Pro, $55, or the mBar Fixed Stand, $25, both of which elevate your laptop 3 inches. Dimensions: 9.6-inch W x 10.8 D x 5.5 H, unfolded. Weight: 0.45 pounds. No assembly required. Number 2. Logitech Casa Pop-Up Desk. Logitech has mastered the office on the go. Its bestseller Casa Pop-Up Desk, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, is about the size of a small textbook when closed, so it should be able to fit in a laptop backpack or tote bag. Open it up and access a full setup: a Bluetooth keyboard, trackpad, a USB-C charger, and a stand for your laptop. The accessories are pretty standard but function well for working from a coffee shop or even from home if you don't want a spring for an entire desk setup. I tested the pink, which is very cutesy. To play with the settings, like pointer speed or keyboard shortcuts, you'll need to download Logi Options Plus. Dimensions: 9.05-inch W x 11.41 D x 6.29 H, unfolded. Weight: 2.65 pounds, with keyboard, mouse, and cable. No assembly required. Number 3. Rain Design mStand. I love this sleek single-piece aluminum stand for its high-quality stability and its cooling effect. The tilt design brings the laptop screen closer while also improving airflow. The anodized aluminum look also complements MacBook's aesthetic, giving off an industrial, modern vibe. The wide base makes it one of the most stable stands I've tested. Plus, I like the space-saving keyboard slot underneath, which helps keep my desk clutter-free. Specs: Dimensions: 10-inch W x 7.5 D x 5.9 H. Weight: 3 pounds. No assembly required. Number 4. Dual Monitor Stand. I used this Nnewvante dual monitor stand for a couple of years, and it's still holding up. It's strong enough to support my monitor, my laptop, and the occasional 10-pound cat skipping across. The tempered glass top is a refreshing take from the industrial-looking options and gives a contemporary vibe. It's not portable, and standing while working isn't an option with this one. But if you're primarily sitting at your desk, it does the job for a steal. Specs: Dimensions: 42.9-inch W x 9.5 D x 3.4 H. Max weight capacity: 88 pounds. Assembly required. Don't worry, it's easy. Number 5. 12 South Curve Flex Laptop Stand. Reviewer Brenda Stollier raves about this 12 South stand after using it for the past few months. You can push it down or stand it up to 22 inches high, and you can adjust your keyboard angle by up to 45 degrees. When using an external monitor, Stollier says she can align her MacBook at the proper height alongside it. If she's working solely off the MacBook, she can place it at a comfortable viewing angle. Portability-wise, it folds flat and comes with a padded neoprene travel sleeve. Her only gripe is that it's wobbly when typing. She uses hers with an external keyboard at home. It also comes with a hex hinge tool to tighten the hinges should you need to. Alternative: 12 South's Curve SE, $40, isn't adjustable, but it raises laptops to the right level for comfortable side-by-side working. It's like the original Curve, but this one clicks together for easier mailing. It's also a little wobbly if you aren't using an external keyboard. Specs: Dimensions: 10.4-inch WX 8.8 DX 1.18 to 10.78 H. Weight, 1.75 pounds. No assembly required. Number 6. Nnewvante laptop stand. I work from home, and some days, I just can't leave my bed in the morning or make it off the couch after lunch. The Nnewvante, which is also in our home office gear guide, is a great stand for those lazier days. You can't adjust the stand's height, but you can raise the base to an angle suitable to whatever you're doing, sketching, watching a movie on a tablet, eating breakfast, or typing on a laptop, and the built-in stopper keeps things from sliding off into your lap. You can also potentially put it on your desk for a low-maintenance sit-stand desk converter. The smaller surface on the right stays flat and is a good place for morning coffee or tea. There's even a small drawer for storing knickknacks. And when you're done with it, you can fold up the legs for slimmer storage. Even better, it's made of bamboo. Specs. Dimensions, 21.65-inch WX 13.86 DX 12.3 H. Weight, 5.9 pounds. No assembly required. Number 7. 12 South ParcSlope. 12 South also makes some of our favorite accessories for iPads. The ParcSlope is one of them. It's a minimal stand that raises your device by 18 degrees. If you're using a laptop, it angles it into a slightly nicer typing position for less wrist strain. This is a stand I would purchase if I'm not using an external keyboard or mouse, but this stand is more suitable if you regularly draw or work on an iPad or another tablet. It keeps it angled just enough to comfortably work on a touch screen. Bonus, a teeny slot for built-in cable management. Specs. Dimensions, 9-inch WX 10 DX 2.75 H. Weight, 11 ounces. No assembly required.